We're going to explain how to fix the NoneType object has no attribute shape error in OpenCV on a Mac. This error usually pops up when you're trying to access the dimensions, height, and width of an image, but OpenCV hasn't successfully loaded the image. Let's break down the common causes and solutions. 1. Incorrect file path. The most frequent culprit is a wrong file path. Double-check that the path to your image file is accurate. Make sure you've included the correct file name and extension, .jpg, .png, etc., and that the image is actually located in the directory specified. If your path contains spaces, consider using // instead of backslashes, or better yet, use Python's @os path join chat function to create the path safely. For example, instead of .path to my image JPG, use .os.path join path to my image JPG. 2. Image loading. Failure. OpenCV might fail to load the image due to file corruption or an incompatible image format. Try opening the image with a different program, like Preview, to verify that it's not corrupted. OpenCV might have trouble with some unusual formats. Ensure the image format is supported. Also, ensure you have the necessary reading capabilities for the image type in OpenCV. 3. Image reading function. Make absolutely sure you are using the correct OpenCV function to read the image. Should be cv2.imread. A common mistake is a typo or using a different function altogether. After you read the image, store the result in a variable eget_imglcv2imread image path. Check if the variable actually holds the image data by printing it, print img. If it's none, OpenCV hasn't read anything. 4. Permissions issues. On a Mac, you might encounter problems if your code doesn't have the necessary permissions to access the image file. Check the file permissions to ensure your user account has read access. 5. Debugging techniques. To pinpoint the problem, add print statements before and after cv2.imread size. Print the file path to ensure it's correct. After loading, print the img variable. A none value indicates the image failed to load. If you have a complex script, try isolating the image loading part into a small test program to rule out other potential errors in your code. Remember to install OpenCV, pip install OpenCV Python, if you haven't already. If the issue persists after checking these points, provide the exact code snippet, the file path, and the full error message for more specific guidance. Addressing these 5 areas will usually resolve the NoneType object has no attribute shape error in your OpenCV project on macOS.